Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arca Garage video. As you can see right here, we got the light rain, and when I turn on the wipers they make this horrible noise. So in today's video we're gonna be fixing exactly that. Now the problem is actually in these wiper arms. Now if we take a closer look here, you can see that the wiper rubber is actually pointing up. So that's what's creating that horrible sound. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take these two adjustable wrenches. I'm just gonna twist the wiper arm up a little bit while I'm gonna use this adjustable wrench to make sure that this part stays stationary so I don't damage the bottom part of the wiper arm. I'm gonna do the same thing here. All right, now let's try it out. And you can see that the wipers are nice and smooth and they don't make any noise whatsoever. And you can see now, even when the windshield is dry, they're not making any noise whatsoever, nor are they skipping over the glass surface. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find this useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of car enthusiasts.